Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to install J.C.S.2 or Jeffrey's Car Simulator on your PC. Now, before we actually begin the installation of the game, you actually need an application called 7-zip to extract the game files. So to do that, you have to go to your browser, look up 7-zip, go to the first result here. Now you want to actually select .exe 64 size one. You have to get the first one. Now that's done. You want to go to your files. You should see an app like this. You want to open it up. You want to click install. And once it's done, that's it. First step is complete. Now the second step is to actually download the actual game file. Now what you want to do is you want to open up your browser again. Look up Jeffrey's Car Simulator 2. You want to select the first result right here, the one that looks like this. The link should look like this. I'm also going to leave the link in the description down below for you guys to see. Yeah, this is the actual game page. And now what you want to do is you want to select the first result. This one is for the EVP edition that's outdated. You want to go with this one. And now you have to wait for the game to load. Once the game is done downloading, you want to go and you should get a file like this, J.C.S.2 v1.8.7z. Now, what you want to do, you want to right-click the file, go to 7-zip, the application we downloaded earlier, extract files, and just click OK. Now you have to wait for the game files to extract, which shouldn't really take that long of a time, so just wait. This also depends if you have a hard drive or an SSD, so that does not depend on me entirely. Alright, so now once you've done that, you should get a folder like this. I'm going to open it up, you should see J.C.S.2, and there you go. You have the contents of the game. Now, if you want to launch the game, you actually have to select the jcs2.exe file. You want to double click it in case if you don't know how to launch the game. This actually launches the game and you'll be able to play. So hopefully you guys can enjoy this version. I have worked very hard on it, so subscribe and see you another time.